This is the last video in this series for lesson 2.2, factoring expressions with fractional or negative exponents. So factor by pulling out the greatest common factor. Look for the variables or exponents that is common, the variable or exponent that is common to each term of the expression, and pull out that variable or exponent raised to the lowest power. So we're going to factor. Oh, this is the last problem. Okay. So 2 times 5a minus 1 to the 3/4 plus 7a times 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4. So this is clearly the repeated factor. And we look at the lowest power. So we're going to have this 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4 times, so we have 2 times 5a minus 1 to the 3/4, and we're dividing by 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4 plus 7a times 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4 divided by 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4. Now, this obviously is going to divide out, something divided by itself. But over here, on this other one, it's interesting because you have 3/4 and negative 1/4. So this 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4, that's going to stay there. Now we have 2 times 5a minus 1 to the 3/4 minus negative 1/4. We subtract those powers, plus 7a times 1, because that divides itself out. So we end up with 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4 times 2 times, so 3/4 minus negative 1/4, that's just like a plus. You subtract the negative, it's like adding a positive. So we have 5a minus 1 to the 1 power, 3/4 plus 1/4 is 1, plus 7a. But we're not done yet. There's still more fun to be had. So we have 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4 times, now we can distribute the 2, so it's 10a minus 2 plus 7a. So 2 times 5a is 10a, 2 times negative 1 is a minus 2. So now we simplify that, 5a minus 1 to the negative 1/4 times 10a plus 7a is 17a minus 2. And that would be my final answer. Okay, hope that makes sense. Let me know. And now you're ready for the homework.